Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm back again with another delicious, easy to make drink recipe. As you know, it's given heat wave in most states right now, and I decided to make this drink. These are some of the ingredients, or all the ingredients that you're going to need except for the water. And y'all know I always mix lemon with lime because I just like the flavor of it. But if you want to just use lime or lemon, it's totally up to you. So right here, I'm making a simple syrup. I have sugar and water equal parts, and I'm going to let this simmer and reduce by half like I have it here. Then you want to cut the stove off and allow it to cool for about 15 minutes. Not all the way like cool, but like cool enough. Cool off a bit. Next, I'm going to add my mint sprigs down in here and the lime and lemon juice. Y'all, as you can see, I didn't even use the whole package of mint. And when I tell you it was all up and down throughout the drink, it's crazy. I don't usually put the herbs in the syrup. So, because, I'm always experimenting, child. But it worked out great. So you want to add all the lemon and lime juice and then just, zhuzh it around a bit. Yes, so next I'm going to start blending the watermelon. Of course, if you have a juicer, use a juicer. You'll be good to go. But y'all know I take the long road with everything with y'all. If you have a juicer at home, go ahead and use it. If you have a press, use it. You're good to go. So I'm going to put my watermelon down in here. I got this is actually a full small watermelon. This is the flesh of a small watermelon, and you want to put it down into your blender, and then you're going to add some water. And I put the water all the way up to like almost covering the watermelon. But I really didn't need to do that because the watermelon produced a lot of liquid. So, and then I blended it up just like this. And of course, you want to repeat the process if you have a lot of watermelon left. For the OGs that watch my channel, y'all see how the process goes. But I do get, subscribers daily. And people that have never even seen a, juice recipe, y'all know how my channel get honey. I won't even speak on it. But I always show all the steps because I have new people watching me. And so this is what I do. So I strained the watermelon juice, and in hindsight, child, if you don't mind the watermelon pieces or grains or whatever you want to call it, you don't have to strain it. Watermelon is very forgiving. It's not like we're making like cucumber juice or something like that where you have to strain it. The watermelon is very forgiving, but I wanted to strain it today, and so that's what I decided to do. All right, so after I strained it, I'm not going to strain the syrup down in here because, of course, you don't want the mint leaf or, any seeds or anything like that down into your drink. As you can see, my picture is... Look at my picture. All the way full, child. By the way, the sweetness was perfect. Right on point. Spot on. Remember, all ingredient measurements will forever and always be in my description box. So make sure you guys check that out. As well as show me some love if you like this recipe. And especially if you tried it, tag me on social media and let me know what you think. So right here, I'm just pouring the drink up. Oh, my goodness. Look at that color. Look how much you get from it, you get a lot of juice. You get a lot of juice from a $3 watermelon. And, you know what's in it. It's fresh. The ingredients you added. There's no additives. So, I just like making juice, especially in the spring and summer months. It's just great. So I garnished it with some lime wedges and some more fresh mint. And that is it. So if you make this recipe, if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. If you just want to show me some love, comment below, y'all. If you have any requests, comment below. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.